For years, ChatGPT felt different. No banners, no pop-ups, no sponsored messages, just questions and answers. But in January 2026, something quietly shifted. OpenAI confirmed that ads are coming to ChatGPT. Not everywhere, not for everyone, but enough to signal a turning point. Because once ads enter an AI platform, AI is no longer just a tool. It becomes a business battlefield. Today, we're not just talking about ads. We're talking about the future of AI itself.
Now, it appears the free ride is over for ChatGPT users, with OpenAI to soon show advertising next to its chatbot answers.
ChatGPT, arguably the world's most popular chatbot. Its parent company OpenAI has announced a major decision. ChatGPT will now show advertisements.
What exactly happened? In January 2026, OpenAI announced that it will begin testing advertisements inside ChatGPT. This test will initially roll out to users in the United States, and it will apply only to free ChatGPT users. ChatGPT Go users, a lower-priced subscription tier. Importantly, OpenAI confirmed that higher paid plans like Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise will remain ad-free. This is not a full global rollout yet. It's a controlled experiment. But even as a test, this marks a historic moment. Because until now, ChatGPT has never shown ads inside its conversations. Why OpenAI is doing this? To understand this move, we need to talk about cost. Running large AI models is extremely expensive. Every prompt, every answer, every image generation, all of it consumes computing power. And that computing power costs billions of dollars per year. OpenAI has already monetized through subscriptions. But subscriptions alone are not enough to support the scale at which ChatGPT is growing. According to public reporting, ChatGPT now serves hundreds of millions of users every week. That kind of reach naturally attracts advertisers. So this move is not just about ads. It's about sustainability. OpenAI wants to keep AI accessible to people who can't afford higher subscriptions while still funding the infrastructure behind it. Advertising becomes the bridge.
Think of ads as like a last resort for us for a business model. I would do it if it meant that was the only way to get everybody in the world like access to great services.
How ads will actually appear. Now here's the key question everyone is asking. How intrusive will these ads be? OpenAI says ads will be clearly labeled, visually separate from AI answers, shown only when relevant, placed below responses, not inside them. In other words, ChatGPT's answers will not suddenly turn into marketing pitches. OpenAI has also emphasized something very important. Ads will not influence how ChatGPT responds. The AI's answers will remain neutral, factual, and independent, at least according to OpenAI's stated policy. Ads are meant to appear as optional sponsored suggestions, not part of the conversation logic. Privacy, concerns, and OpenAI's promises. Whenever ads enter a platform, privacy concerns follow. OpenAI is clearly aware of this. They have stated several guardrails. User conversations will not be sold to advertisers. Ads will not be targeted using private chat content. Sensitive topics like health, politics, and mental health will not show ads. Ads will not appear for users under 18. This is OpenAI trying to draw a clear line between AI assistants and traditional social media advertising. They want to avoid the mistakes made by earlier platforms where engagement was prioritized over trust.
This is what the ads will look like. They're just down there at the bottom, and what they're doing is trying to minimize this impact on your screen.
ChatGPT Go, the new tier explained. Alongside this announcement, OpenAI also highlighted the ChatGPT Go tier. This plan sits between free and plus. It offers more usage than free, better performance and memory, lower price than plus. But during the testing phase, ChatGPT Go users will still see ads. This has created mixed reactions. Some users are fine with it, seeing it as a fair trade for a lower price. Others feel ads should never appear in a paid product. This reaction itself shows how sensitive people are about AI trust. Why this moment matters, the industry impact. This is not just about ChatGPT. This decision sets a precedent. If ads work inside ChatGPT without hurting trust, we may see ads inside other AI assistants, sponsored AI recommendations, AI becoming a new advertising platform entirely. Tech giants are watching closely, because if AI replaces search, then ads must follow AI. This moment feels similar to when Google first monetized search results, a shift that reshaped the internet. Risks OpenAI is taking. Let's be clear, this move is risky. If ads feel intrusive, biased, or manipulative, users may lose trust. Switch to competitor AI tools. Avoid free tiers entirely. OpenAI's reputation is built on being helpful, neutral, and user-first. Ads test that promise. This experiment will likely determine whether AI platforms can monetize without becoming noisy or exploitative. So what does this mean for you? If you use ChatGPT casually, you may start seeing sponsored suggestions. If you rely on it professionally, paid plans stay ad-free. If you care about AI ethics, this is a moment to watch closely. This is the first time AI is openly stepping into the same monetization world as search engines and social platforms. But the rules are different here. Trust is everything. A turning point in AI history. ChatGPT showing ads is not the end of AI purity, but it is the beginning of a new phase. A phase where AI must balance access, sustainability, privacy, trust. Whether OpenAI succeeds or fails here will shape how AI evolves for the next decade. And the way this test unfolds will likely decide how future AI tools are built, funded, and regulated. This isn't just an update, it's a turning point. What do you think? Are ads in AI a fair trade for free access, or a line that should never be crossed? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, like the video, subscribe for more tech news, and I'll see you in the next one.